Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Google Map. So first just go to App Store and search Google Map and then open it. And here what you need to do is just search the place that you want to go. For example, I search on Google and then I just press search. And what I need to do here is click on direction. So here is finished. Make sure that you select your location and then change the road if you want to change. You can change left or right or middle, is up to you. And the blue circle button is the place of your locations.